we are playing. We're gonna play Fortnite. Okay. Let's get on. Sorry, you can barely see the screen. I'm using this new recorder thing. So you're only going to be able to see this for the rest of the video. Alright. Let's hop into the game. Just have to wait. I'm gonna play Battle Royale. In my next video, I'll play Save the World. I have the full battle pass, so that's good. Alright, Battle Royale. We are back. You guys can come friend me. My name is Savage Joffin, so let's hop into this game. Hey. You got a mic? Anybody? Oof. Okay, where are we dropping? Lazy? Okay. Hey.
Easy it is.
Yeah.
That's up, dude.
What's up? I'm recording, so.
Okay. I'm gonna drop. Oh, never mind. There's a lot of people there. Freaking A. Might die.
You scared me, buddy. Here, I'll give you this. Take that burst. I don't like burst. He took my shield.
Who's getting shot at?
I'm coming. Oh my god. I'm getting carried.
You only got a gun, I only got a hunting rifle.
Up top. I only have short range weapons. Ah, I'm trash. No, don't finish me. Oh my god, don't finish me, please. Help me. I'm gonna get finished. Help me, help me. I'm 20 HP. Build. Hurry. Hurry, I'm about to die. Yeah, you guys protect.
No. Fortnite Pro, get away. I'll get him. You need to protect me.
Can we get an air hockey table?
Phew.
Where are you gonna put it?
Somewhere. What much offense mode. What about that room?
I need
I have
a.
an AK for somebody. I need shields.
I need health. Anybody got a medkit? Up! Right there! Heal me, heal me, heal me! I'm about to die, I'm about to die. See you guys later.
Right there, dude.
Bandage over.
Ah, that sucked. Sorry I'm so bad. Let's get this game going. I have the max battle pass. I'm gonna check my locker. Hey. Hey.
All right.
Yo, what's going on, Jake Paul?
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm recording, so.
Sweet.
All right.
What's up, Savage?
Sup.
Wait. I thought I just invited somebody else. I am so confused. You're the person I just added, right?
No.
No? Okay. Hey, well, I'm gonna have to kick you out of the lobby right now. I promised somebody else I was gonna have them join.
Sorry, Sav.
Alright.
It's all good. Guess I'm playing solo squads.
And so that means there'll be another 4 games for Spunky. So this game and 3 more games, Spunky.
What?
Yeah, I'm live streaming too, by the way.
Hey. I'm
Where
just.
we going? Where we going? Let's hit real brisky.
Let's
Alright.
keep it down. Let's go.
Well, I'm not that good. I only have 4 subscribers.
That's okay. That's better than me.
How much do you have?
I think it's 0.
I'm just gonna hit up the old whaling.
What?
Yeah. I'm not gonna make it, so.
Why not?
I tried to do like an old strat where you go to a lake, and I was too low, so I had to go here.
Gotcha. Alright. Be careful.
I will.
Hey, Mikey, I got a trap for you.
It's on my iPad.
You wanna see what I did to some of my pictures?
1 second, guys.
You should see my home screen on my phone. Yeah, we'll grab it.
Hey, Mikey, there's also 2 minis over here.
Where is it? Oh, I can't find it.
They're by the RVs, okay?
Search up my channel, Dad. I can't find it on my iPad. Hey, can you guys subscribe to me?
Yeah, it'll take me a little bit though.
It's Jaden and Jothan. YouTube. Jane, show him the picture on your computer. What's our channel name? Is it Jaden and Jothan TV? Is it Jaden Jothan TV? The name is Jaden Jothan TV.
Heard you.
Or YouTube. Try both of them.
Did anybody go to the cars up on the hill?
No.
There's a chest up there. There's a big pot over here for somebody.
Okay.
Spunky, you here? On me.
People are in my base and I'm ditching.
Come on over to us. Over at Risky.
All I have is a blue pump.
There's a ton of guns over here, bro.
I already found a good AR. Woo.
There's a blue heavy assault rifle here with me. And a Porter Rift.
You mean Rift to go?
Robin, don't you want a PS4 for Christmas?
There's also a blue AR.
I'll take the blue AR. Where?
It's in the house over here. Where I'm at.
Oh, I take. Aww. This house right there.
When I'm at.
Can you carry it?
I can't. I'm actually kind of full on this stuff.
Wait, you have the Rift to go?
Yep, I have it.
Is it up top?
Yeah, they're both on top.
Which one has it?
The first house? Up on top, yeah.
It's the heavy AR? Where's the normal AR?
Isn't there one in there? Or was there just two of the heavies?
It was two of the heavies.
Sorry, bro.
We both took it. That's all good. I kind of like heavies. It's better than a common burst. I mean,
There's
common
a green
AR.
SMG on the bottom.
I already have a green SMG.
I just got rid of mine because I got the heavy sniper.
What?
Monkey, where you at? Can't hear you, brother.
Rift. Where's the
Oh
rift?
shit, my bad, yo. This sucks. I've been talking to y'all this whole time.
Alright, come on, let's to go. Let's
Wait
get over
for
to Monkey.
us. Wait for me.
I am. Come on. Let's get over to Monkey. Ready, 1, 2, and...
Go.
Here we go.
Yeah, you
Monkey, where
good.
you at? Oh, there you are.